Good evening, dear kids. Today I'm taking your same exercise, that is 12.3. In continuation with the same exercise, I'm taking your problem number 12. And let's go for problem number 12. And it says, if you can see the figure, it is saying that OACB is a quadrant. So this sector is a quadrant. So if this is a quadrant, that means this is 90-degree. Okay, so you got one thing, that if you want to go for sector area, you have the theta and with you, the central angle with you. And then it says O is a center. So we got the central angle 90. It says the radius is 3.5 and OD. This OD is 2 centimeter. And the radius, this is the radius. If this is the sector, so this both will be the radius. Yes, so I'll mark this as 3.5. Now how we will do it? For this, my dear kids, you can take, okay, radius is 3.5, we have taken. Area of, we'll go for area of quadrant first. Area of quadrant is area of sector, that is theta upon 360. If you want to go for like this formula, theta upon 360, that means you have to put 90 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 3.5 into 3.5. You can use this formula, or else what you can do for area of quadrant is you can also write pi r square, that is the area of full circle, divided by 4. That will also work. Okay, anyhow you will get the area of quadrant. Once you got the area of quadrant, my dear kids, you have to take the area of this right angle triangle. For that you have base 3.5 and your height 2 centimeters. Am I correct with this? Yes, once you got area of triangle, what you have to do is, okay, let's also write area of triangle is equal to half base into height. That means half 3.5 into 2. Once you got the value of this, the value of this, what you have to do? You have to find the value of your shaded region. That means you have to subtract the area of quadrant and the area of your triangle, and you will get your required answer. Next is problem number 13. Let's see what it says. It says that in a figure there's a square OABC. So we can see here this is a square given to you. Okay, perfect. It is inscribed in a quadrant. It is inscribed, that means it is inside the quadrant. Again, you have quadrant means you have theta as 90. And in that you have OA is equal to 20 centimeters. So I will write OA as 20 centimeter. Perfect. Find the area of shaded region, and you have to use pi as 3.14. Let's find the side of square now. Now because OA is 20, so that means if I take AB also, so OA is equal to AB, because that's the square part, so both will be 20. Now my dear kids, radius is not given. That is the main problem. How we'll find the radius? If you see, if I mark OB here, that will also be the radius. So if you see this triangle, OA is given as 20. AB will be 20 because it's a side of square, so all the sides will be same. If I take this triangle, and by Pythagoras, if I want to find OB, can I go OB square is equal to AB square plus OA square? From there, I'll get the value of OB. Let's see what value of OB you are getting. I guess OB you will get under root 800. And if you want to just simplify it, you will get 20 root 2. Am I perfect with this? This is your OB. And OB is what? It's a radius. Now you got the radius in your hand. You can go for your sector area. Sector area will be 90 upon 360. Into pi you have to use 3.14. Into radius you have 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. Got the point clear? From here you will get the area of sector. From that area of sector, if you just subtract the area of your square, what will be area of square? Area of square will be side square, and side you have it in your hand 20. Once you got these both, you have to just subtract it and you will get your required thing. Next is, let's see what we can do about the next problem, and it goes AB and CD are the respective arcs of two concentric circles with radii 21, तो एक का रेडियस 21 है, छोटे का रेडियस 7 है, सेंट्रल एंगल 30 है. आपको शेडेड रीजन फाइंड करना है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप एक सेक्टर फाइंड करेंगे, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर ओ ए बी. उस सेक्टर के एरिया में आप थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर डालेंगे. थीटा विल बी हियर 30 अपॉन 360. पाई आप 22/7, रेडियस इस बार आप 21 लेंगे. सो दिस विल बी योर एरिया ऑफ बिगर सेक्टर. व्हाट अबाउट एरिया ऑफ स्मॉलर सेक्टर? सेक्टर OCD. OCD के लिए भी आप जाएंगे थीटा अपॉन 360, 30/360 into 22/7, but the radius will be 7 into 7. So you will get sector area. Once you subtract these both areas, what you will be getting will be the shaded portion. Is that clear? Yes. Let's go for our next problem. And it says in the figure 12.33, ABC is a quadrant. ABC is a quadrant. That means the central angle is 90 degree. Once you have that, the radius is given as 14 centimeter and there's a semicircle drawn about the diameter. So this is your diameter of the circle and this is the semicircle given to you, and you have been given the radius as 14. So this is 14. This is 14, my dear kids. From there you can get the value of BC. So you will go BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. From there you will get value of BC as 14 square plus 14 square. Once you got value of BC, what you will do is you will divide by 2 to get the radius of semicircle. Yes, once you have radius of semicircle, okay, what we will be doing is we will be finding area of sector. Okay, area of sector, area of segment. Okay, shall I go with area of sector first? That means finding this. So I'll go for area of sector, that is area of quadrant. I'll go with theta upon 360 into 22/7 into 14 into 14. So that will be area of sector. Now I'll take area of triangle. So area of triangle will be triangle ABC, that will be half base into height, that will be half into 14 into 14. Am I correct with this? Once you got these both, what you will do is you will subtract and you will get एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर में से अगर आप ट्रायंगल सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो तो आपके पास जहाँ पे मैं येलो मार्क कर रही हूँ वो रीजन की एरिया आ जाएगी. ठीक है, अब वो रीजन की एरिया आप बोल सकते हो एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट. तो जैसे ही एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट आएगा, व्हाट इट विल बी, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर minus area of triangle. Am I correct with this? So you will get area of segment, which is of yellow part. Now from the semicircle area, you have to subtract your segment area and your required part will be in your hand. How to find the semicircle area? You got the radius with you. Yes, you have the radius with you. You just found BC and half of BC will be your radius. Got the point? So you have to find the semicircle area, and from that if you remove this yellow part of segment, you will get your shaded region. Okay? Okay. Next we will take, for your next problem number 16, we have calculate the area of designed region common between two quadrants of radius 8. So you have this as 8, this as 8, all the regions are 8. And if I draw in between line this, okay, so I'll get what, okay, not like this. Shall we go for sector area? Shall we take this sector? This is the sector. And then I'll take this sector. Okay. Okay, what we can do is I'll take this sector. Can you see the red color mark? And from there, just 1 second, I'll just make it this sector. This is one sector, so you can go for 90 upon 360. I'm finding area of sector into 90 upon 360 into pi r square. So you can take pi 22/7 and radius is 8 and 8. From there you will get area of sector, and from that area of sector, if I remove this triangle, Getting my point? I'll remove this triangle. So I'll find the area of triangle, that is half base into height, and half base into height, that is half into 8 into 8. And once I got area of sector and area of triangle, by subtraction what will be left will be half of the design, which I am making yellow color. And once I got that, I'll multiply with 2 to get the complete design. Are you getting my point clear? तो एक साइड करोगे क्योंकि दूसरे साइड का भी सब जो डायमेंशंस दिए हुए हैं देज आर सेम, बिकॉज दूसरा साइड भी आपका 90 डिग्री आपका सेंट्रल एंगल है, दैट इज थीटा, रेडियस 8 है, मतलब सेक्टर एरिया वही आएगा, ट्रायंगल की एरिया वही आएगी। सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो दूसरा आपको जो सेगमेंट मिलेगा, इन अ वे आप दो सेगमेंट्स ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, एक सेगमेंट आपका ये है और एक सेगमेंट आपको इस तरफ आएगा। सो वॉट एवर आंसर यू गेट फ्रॉम दिस एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर minus area of your triangle, whatever answer you will get from this, you have to multiply with 2. This is the area of segment. और इस ये स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, अब एक बार देख लीजिए, ये स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, ये है दो सेगमेंट्स का कॉम्बिनेशन, ये एक सेगमेंट, ये दूसरा सेगमेंट। गेटिंग माई पॉइंट क्लियर? ओके।